Morning! Izzy, are you ready for your first beach day?
Yeah. Izzy, we made it to the beach. We made it. We're at the beach. Yeah. I gotta get the diaper bag.
Oh yeah. Hi Izzy. Where are we? Izzy.
We're at the beach.
You gonna see the sand? You're
The
gonna
water.
see the water. It's a nice day. Yay, yay, yay. Izzy.
Hi.
Hey, you getting all this sunlight, right?
Oh, I forgot the sun hat.
Oh no, you need the sun hat.
I think it's in the bag.
That's good. Filled up wagon. Nice sun hat. Got our wristbands.
We can swim.
We can swim now. We have access to the beach.
Izzy, you're about to go on the sand.
About to experience being a water rabbit.
Oh, the sand. I'm sinking.
Everything got so much harder. Look at this.
My shoes are gonna be full of sand. So it goes.
Off terrain now. Look at you, Izzy. You're excited.
Do you like the sand?
Wow.
We
Izzy.
just got here at the beach. We're
What-
gonna show Izzy.
Belmar, 20th Ave. Belmar, New Jersey.
Atlantic Ocean.
Wow. Izzy, look at that. It's cold. You like the water?
Oh yeah, it's too cold.
You know how you could tell we're in New Jersey? A giant, I don't know, sewage pipe?
Sewage pipe. Oh, it's too cold.
Yeah. Super cold. I have to pee
I don't want
now.
to put her in there.
No, we're not.
She's looking at it though.
Mm-hmm. Beach day.
Family beach day.
Izzy. Ta-da.
Can't see anything. Daddy made our shelter.
What a super umbrella. Like it, Izzy? You're gonna stay here for 4 days.
Her feet already got sandy.
Oh man. Hi, Izzy.
There's a shovel.
Shovel. Make a sand castle, and look, it's your turtle again. You like turtles? Don't eat it. Oh, what did I just say? Gotta get water for Izzy. I got you ocean water. Izzy!
Yay.
Izzy! I got you ocean water. Yeah. Izzy, look what mommy's making. Here's your yellow turtle. Look. Don't eat it. Ugh, there's sand in there. Look. Ta-da!
Sandcastle.
Yay! Izzy! She just wants to bite stuff. We have a teether, right?
Yeah, I brought the turtle.
Okay.
It's in the diaper bag. You want to get it?
Okay.
We're teether.
There. Don't eat the sand stuff. And don't get sand on that, okay?
It's your only teether we brought.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta protect that.
Keep it clean. You like turtles, huh? I'll bring you to the water again. Totally forgot to put sunblock. Izzy, you need SPF.
Can you open it?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Izzy, what's the matter?
Sand on it already.
Your gums hurt? Don't worry, I'll bring you out. We need to put a little sunblock, okay? That's a lot of sunblock.
Google's legs. Is there sand? Is there sand in your mouth? There's sand on it.
No. Is it in her fingers?
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm a beach girl.
Just stomping. It's getting close, it's getting close. It's cold.
Big wave, baby.
Uh-oh. I better not get a cold.
The big kahuna. I want to see her face. It's gonna get mommy.
Oh. I'm telling you. Oh, oh, oh.
Getting closer.
Are you enjoying the beach in the water?
Enjoying the big kahuna.
You're enjoying it?
Yeah. That's a cool break, buddy.
T-Rex. You're a T-Rex. What is that? Is that a shell? Is that a dead animal? Oh. Good time seeing the water. Checking out the water.
Oh. Hungry? A beach girl. She's getting a little cranky. So she needed to get second breakfast. Right, Izzy? It's time to nap.
4 ounces.
You look good. Kaya's kitchen doesn't open till 11, so we'll go when it opens.
Okay. What time is it now? 10:18.
There's sand fleas.
No.
Time to burp. See? Hi, Izzy. You burp good? Hey. You got energy now. You can rest for a little. It's a lot of energy. Yeah. But I'm glad you're busug. Izzy. Izzy's walking on the beach. They're walking on sunshine. Hey. And feels good. Hey. Your hat's flying away.
Yeah, it is. See the seagulls there? You see them?
Oh, that was such a short trip. It was a nice walk. Izzy, you want to go get lunch now?
Beach day complete.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.